What's up, it's your boy Groovy Fleet here, back with another impulse video this time, and I pulled out the charger. Yeah, I haven't seen the charger on the channel yet, but I got in it and the cabin air filter, when the air started blowing, it didn't smell good. This car has just hit 60,000 miles, so it is time to change the cabin air filter. So I'm gonna show y'all how to do that today. All right, so the first thing you want to do is go ahead and pop the hood. Okay, boom, engine. And you go right over here to the passenger side. You got two clips. Just go ahead and open that up. I wanna open. There we go. All right. Excuse the camera angles. I left my tripod in the truck. So you got this right here, and once you have it open, you just grab from the bottom, pull up, and boom, you have it open. And just go ahead and pull it out. So let's see. Yeah, it's pretty gross. Yeah. All right, so let's go ahead and get the new filter. Got this at O'Reilly's for $24. So I mean, I ain't need nothing too expensive, because that smell got to go ASAP. Pick that up later. All right, I'm going ahead, open this up, and it's gonna stick it in. I have it out. You want to make sure the airflow arrows are pointing towards the cab once you stick it in. So let's go ahead and put it in there. I'm gonna see if I can do this one-handed. I should have had my tripod on me. Yep, there we go. Oh, shoot. All right, I want to see if I can get it in there right. There we go. All right, and just close up the lid. And boom, cabin airflow sensor. The cabin air filter is officially installed. Let's put that cover back on there. Now, let's go ahead and crank it up and see how the air is smelling. Let's see. Key fob not detected. There we go. All right, let's see. Yeah, 10 times better already. 10 times better. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this little short impromptu video. I just thought it would be fun, something to do. I've been in a really good mood today, so yeah, I hope y'all like the content. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that post notification bell, because you know it's more content coming. We out.